I have a SEC302BP, O2 my Thermador double oven with a F24 error code. I replaced the relay board and the touch panel and the thermal fuse. Instill have a F24 error code. What else could be wrong?
What happened just before your Thermador oven displayed this message?
I was baking at 375 finished, when to turn off and code appeared.
How long has this been going on with your Thermador oven? What have you tried so far?
I replaced the relay board and the touch panel and the thermal fuse. Instill have a F24 error code. What else could be wrong?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, your control board may be bad. F24, indicated control board / touch panel. I would have replaced the control board first, then if it continued the control panel.
Is the control board different from the relay board? Because I've replaced the relay board and control touch panel.
Yes, the control board is different from the relay board.
Thank you. I just ordered the control board and will install as soon as it is received.
Thank you for contacting JA. Have a wonderful day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.